My dear fourth grade children, how are you? Are you fine? Are you stay at home? Okay, I hope that you are safe and stay at home. Okay, okay, fine, ma. Okay, let us start to study, ma. Are you interested to study social science? Yes or no? Okay, okay, fine. I think that all of you are very interested to study social science. Okay, ma? Okay, fine. Let us start. Okay. The first lesson in the previous class, the first lesson. What's the title of the lesson? Yeah, that is types and elements of map. Isn't it? Am I correct? Yeah. The first lesson, the title of the lesson is types and elements of maps. Okay. From this chapter, we study the types of maps, different types of maps, scaling up, reading maps, that is say colors, symbols, direction, everything we study, isn't it? Can you remember it? Okay, okay, very fine. Yesterday I given 3 questions also. Did you study more? Okay, today also I'll give one more. Okay, okay, fine. Study well, copy it and slowly study. Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay, fine. Today the next new lesson, that is second lesson, lesson 2. What is that? That is major geographical forms. Okay, first of all we study that what is geography, that is the relationship between the human society and their environment, and mostly our study about the earth. We are living on the earth, so that is a now we study that major geographical forms. Okay, ma? Okay, we note. Okay, so from this lesson, first of all we study that continents. What is continents? This is a geographical forms, that is a earth forms. We are living on the planet Earth. Earth is a unique planet. Earth is a blue planet. Earth is the third closest planet to the sun. Okay, that is already known, ma? Okay, fine. Now listen here. From this lesson, we studied the major geographical forms. That is a continents. What is a continent, ma? Continents means what? Continents and oceans. These are the different geographical forms. Earth's forms. Okay. That is a continent means what? That is, we already studied more. What's that? Very important. That is, almost 3/4 of the earth is covered with water, and the remaining 1/4 is land. Isn't it? 3/4 of the earth is covered with water, and the remaining 1/4 is land. This is what makes so only earth look blue from outer space. Hence it is also called the blue planet. It is a unique planet because it supports life. That's we already know. We know. This is the fact of the earth. Fact about the earth. Isn't it, ma? Okay. Now we study that. What is a continents? Anyone? Do you know? Okay, ma, I will tell. Now listen here. Large continuous areas of land on the earth. Okay, what is that? Large continuous areas of the land on the earth that is surrounded by water are referred to as continents. What is continents? Continents means what, ma? That is a large areas of the land. Large continuous areas of the land on the earth. Okay, that is surrounded by water. These are referred to as continents. We already know 3/4 of the earth is, that is, out of 4, 3 part is a water. Remaining 1/4, that is 1 part is the part, land part. So, this land part is surrounded by water. These are called continents. Isn't it? This is the major geographical forms. That is, first one is a continents. Okay, while huge bodies of saline water that make up for almost 70% of the earth's surface are known as oceans. So these are continent means this continent means land area on the earth. The land area on the earth. This is surrounded by water, no? This water surrounded by water, that is huge bodies of very deep water bodies. That is almost 70% of the earth's surface are full of oceans. So only we said that out of 4, 3 part is a water body. Remaining 1 part is the land part. That is a continent. So the continents, this land areas are covered with the water bodies. That is a oceans. Okay. Okay. There are how many continents on the earth? Do you know? Yeah. The previous classes you studied that. You will learn it. What are that? There are 7 continents in the world. They are Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America. Next, Australia and Antarctica. Once again repeat same. There are 7 continents on the earth. What are they? They are Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Can you remember it? How many continents? Okay, we know 7 continents in the world. Okay, among us these, which is the largest continent? Do you know, ma? Very good. Asia is the largest continent. Okay, which is the smallest one? Australia is the smallest continent. Okay, ma? Australia is the smallest continent. Each continent is divided into many countries. Continent means what? Each continent is divided into many countries. And each country is further divided into states, cities, towns, districts. Okay, India the country. Our country, which is our country? India. End out. No, which is our country? India is our country. We are Indians. Say that we are very proud of that. We are Indians means we are proud of that. Isn't it, ma? Which is our country? India is our country. We are Indians. Okay. So, the country that we live in located in Asia. Which continent? Continent Asia. India lies in the Asia continents. The southern part of the Asia continent, India is there. Okay. Do you understand, ma? Okay, fine. So, the land covers only one part of the earth's surface. It is spread across the whole earth. This only one part of the earth's surface that it covers the whole earth. The largest area of the land are called continents. The largest area of the earth are called continents. There are 7 continents there. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. The largest continent is Asia and smallest one is the Australia. Okay, any doubt? No more. These are the continents is the main major geographical forms. Okay, then we studied the oceans and sea. Can we study that? Oceans and sea. Can you see that? Yes, now listen here. The surface of the earth has 5 major oceans. The surface of the earth has 5 major oceans. These are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean and the Southern Ocean. Can you understand more? Oh, can you understand? Okay. The surface of the earth has 5 major oceans. These are the Pacific Ocean. First one is the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean and the Southern Ocean. So now you understand that we have the first geographical forms. We studied that the continent. How many continents? There are 7 continents. Then how many oceans? Second, the geographical forms, that is a oceans and seas. So how many seas? Sorry, how many oceans? These are the 5 important 5, that is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. Okay, out of this, which is the largest one? That is the Pacific Ocean is the largest, whereas Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Okay. Okay. Earlier there used to be 4 major oceans, that is Atlantic, the Pacific, the Indian and the Arctic. Okay. The Southern Ocean has been recently added to this. Okay, ma. These are the geographical forms of the earth. Geographical forms. Okay, major geographical forms. Some continents are separated by large area of water. The very large and deep areas of water are called oceans. Okay, oceans and seas. What's the difference? That oceans means what, ma? Oceans and seas are water bodies. These are the major geographical forms. Our earth, the 3/4 of the earth is covered with the water bodies. That is the oceans and seas. Okay, that is oceans means, what is that? Very large and deep areas of water. Oceans means very large and deep areas of water are called oceans. Okay. At the same time, seas mean what, ma? Seas. The smaller areas of water are called seas. Seas means it is smaller area. No, it is also deep, but it is comparing to ocean. Ocean is the very, very deep and large area. Large area of water are called oceans. Okay. So, important 5 oceans, that is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. Okay. Okay, ma. Then the smaller areas of water are called seas. Some important seas are. The smaller areas of water are called seas. Some important seas are Mediterranean seas, Black Sea, Arabian Sea, South China Sea. This is a important seas. Once repeat same. Mediterranean Sea, second Black Sea, Arabian Sea, South China Sea. Okay, these are the some important seas. So we studied that major geographical forms. Continents we study. There are 7 continents. Then next oceans. That is also 5 oceans. And now we studied that oceans and seas. Do you know the difference between oceans and seas very clearly, ma? Yeah, this is a fundamental. Oceans means that is very large and deep areas of water. are called oceans. Any doubt, ma? No, no. They are very large and deep areas of water are called oceans. The 5 oceans, you already studied that. Then 5 seas means smallest area of your water, but it is also deep only. But comparing time, oceans and seas, ocean is the very largest and very deepest also. Okay, ma? Okay, now listen here. Find this seasonal map. Okay, the wind pushes the water in the oceans and seas, making it move. This movement makes waves in the water. Yes, now can you see the wave in the water? Exactly this. See, we can see the waves, isn't it? Yeah, the wind, how does it happen? Waves. That is, the wind pushes the water in the oceans and seas, make it move. The wind pushes the water in the seas or maybe in the oceans. This movement makes, so the pushing of the wind, that movement makes waves in the water, which look like a line of moving water. Yes, can you see the wave? Okay, can you see that wave? The wave is what about? Which look like a line of moving water. This look like a line of moving water. Okay, so the wind pushes the water in the oceans and the seas, making it move. This movement makes waves in the water. Okay, but this is a ordinary waves only. But during a storm, heavy rain, heavy storm, what happens? When the wind blows, the storm's time, the wind blows strongly, very forcefully. Do you understand, ma? During a storm, the wind blows strongly. The waves can be high and powerful. Can you understand? Yes, when the storm, the wind blows strongly. The waves can be high. It can be very high and powerful. This is dangerous for boats and for people who may be in the water. Yes, at that time it is very dangerous for boats. Storm time, these boats are broken with that very high. That waves can be high and very powerful, very strongly. So dangerous of boats and for people who may be in the water also danger. Okay, then areas where the land meet and seas are called coast. What is the meaning of coast? Coast means what? Coast means what? That is the areas where the land meets the sea. The areas of the land. Can you understand that? Can you imagine that? That is the areas where the this land part meet the sea. That is called a coast. This land part meet the sea part. Yeah. Whereas the coast is flat, it is called a beach. This coast, that when the coast is very flat in size means coast is flat, it is called a beach. Beaches have sand. People go to sandy beaches to enjoy the sea, isn't it? You are going to seashore means you are very happy, isn't it? Okay, Anna? Okay. So, the geographical forms we study the continents and next to oceans and seas. Then, Geographical forms our nature what? Natural means waterfalls and mountains and valleys, and next what? That oceans, seas, these are the geographical natural forms. Okay, what is mountains and valleys? Mountains and valleys means what? That is also the highest portion of land are called mountains, isn't it? The highest portion of the land are called mountains. They are formed due to the movement inside the earth that sometimes change the surface of the earth. Okay, ma? So, the mountains, hills and valleys, the highest portion of the land are called mountains. These are formed due to the movements inside the earth that sometimes change the surface of the earth. Okay, that these mountains in the next class I will repeat it. So, from this class geographical forms we studied today, we studied that. I recall now continents, oceans and seas. There are 7 continents, that is Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica, and oceans also studied that. What is the difference between oceans and seas means ocean is very large and deep areas of the water. Okay, and seas means there are the smaller areas of the water are called seas. Okay, then now I will give the book exercise, that is page number 13. If you buy the book means you everything copy it and little portion study, don't waste the time. Okay ma, you study, you ask your parents, and doubt means ask me, need to write. Okay ma, now listen here, fill in the blanks. Maps are of dash kinds. What's the answer? Yes, maps are different kinds. Correct answer only. Maps are different. Okay. Second one, the information in maps must be dash. The information in maps must be what ma? You know? Yeah, very good. Accurate. What's the spelling of accurate? A-C-C-U-R-A-T-E. Accurate. Okay. Then third one is the direction with the direction north west is between. North direction, the north and west is between north and west, isn't it? That is a subdirection, cardinal direction. Okay, then between south and east is the direction, that is a southeast. Okay ma, then say that match the following. Now see that physical map, different types of maps we study. No, the first one is physical maps, that is a match the following only. First, physical map, what's the answer there? It shows mountains, rivers, lakes, etc. Physical map means you understand that, you keep it in mind. That is the fact that physical map means it is natural. At the same time, political map means man-made. Okay, thematic means some of the instruction topics. Okay, now listen here. Here physical map means what's the answer? That is a D, that is shows mountains, rivers, lakes, etc. Okay, what is a political map? Political map means shows countries, capitals and other cities. That is a political map. And thematic map means gives information about special topics. Gives information about special topics. Then scale down. Scale down. Draw an exact and accurate representation of a place. Scale down means what ma? That is draw an exact and accurate representation of place. Scale up. Work out what are the actual size of the places. Scale up means what? Scale up. Work out what the actual size of a place is. Work out what the actual size of the place is. That is scale up. Okay? Can you understand, ma? That is the number 2, 4, 5, 1, 3. Okay? So study it. Then, can you understand? Yes, then crossword. First one is without any mistake, accurate. Second, a book of maps. Atlas, this is you only need to do, then only you will get that creative power. Okay, ma? Next I will give the activity. Okay, then third one, signs with meaning in maps. That is a symbols. Fourth one, the key to reading a map. The key to reading a map. That is a legend. Key to reading a map. That is a legend. Then this is used to represent the size of the land in map. Fifth one. What is fifth? Scale. Size of the map. That is scale. Used to represent the size of the land in map. Size of the land in map. That is a scale. Then a model of the earth. Sixth one, that is a globe. There are 4 main ones of this. That is a 4 main directions. Can you understand, ma? Okay. Crossword, can you understand? First you read it and find the answer and you see that. Yes, now we study that. True or false? That's first one. Globes give us more information than maps in helping us to learn about the earth. Globes give more information? No. These maps only give more information than the globe. So it is a first statement is wrong. First sentence is wrong. That is a statement. Okay. Then second one. All maps are scaled down representation of an area. All maps are scaled down representation of an area. That is true. Then third one, colors are used in maps to give special information. True. The symbols in maps not have any meaning. No, symbols also have meaning, isn't it? So that is also false. Usually the directions north is the upper side of the map. Yes, this map at the top north side is there. So this also true. Okay. So if you buy books means you copy it and study well. Okay, ma? Okay. Okay. Then we will continue the next class. You will study. Okay, ma? Little you take and study. First 3 questions study, after filling the blanks. That's very easy only. Okay. Okay, ma. Fine. Any doubt means ask me. Okay, fine. Thank you.